Good day everybody, this is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to cut your brim with sinamay without molding it. Then you need your sinamay, your mold, your brim mold, your ugum, what you are going to use to design it like cream rolling, your fascinator cup, scissors, needle and thread, but I'm going to use fishing line. This is what we call brim. It's a mold for art. Then I'm going to use half yard of sinamay to cut the brim. You take your brim, put it on your net, on your sinamay net. You fold your sinamay into two. If you are cutting one, you can spread it like this and cut one, but I'm going to cut two. Then I fold my sinamay into two. Then I put my brim. You can use your paper to cut your brim out so that you will not make mistake, but I'm going to cut it directly. Now you take your scissors, see, I place my brim, cut it round. It's the way I'm cutting it. Put your ugum branch, your ugum branch. Then you twist it. So I've put you roll them out, you twist it or turn it up. I have cut it and twist the edge. What you now do now, you create a space where you are going to put your fascinator cup. You can put wire around instead of twisting it. It's not compulsory that you should twist, but you can sew wire around it in order to make it to have weight. Now you arrange the way you want to put it. You can put it around like this, but one must be wider than other. The down one must be wider, while the one that will place on it must be smaller. Then I'm not going to place the two together, but I'm going to give it a shape. Then you take your ugum, place it, put it here. place it, gum it with this. Then you take your gum, you gum it down. Gum it. Then you put your gum around the second one where you are going to cut. Or join the two together. Turn it. Okay, I'm sure you gum it. After you have gum it round, you take your blade and cut the center out. You have to be careful, cut it small. So I'm cutting the two sinamay together. Press it. You can see it. This is your brim. You can create a brim without moulding your art. Now this one, you design it. Put your brush. Tag your design. You can see it. This is how to make your alternator without moulding it. Thank you. Please subscribe, share and like.